loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. The setup is a little bit different. I'm in a brand new bathroom because I did move. So I'm going to be filming my Microlocs wash day today. I just want to give you a better look at what my hair looks like. This is a week without washing, so this is how I know my hair is ready to be washed. It's just sticking up, it looks dull. My scalp is really itchy and it just looks really stiff. So let's get into my wash day. The first thing that I do is bunch and band. As my hair gets longer, I can actually do bigger sections, which is nice. It doesn't take quite as long. When I first got my locks installed, I had to do a really small section so that I could make sure I was gathering everything.
Okay, so after I finish my bunching and banding, then I go on to washing my hair. So the products that I use, the first one is the Suave Clarifying Shampoo. I dilute this with a bit of water in my little travel size bottle. The second shampoo that I use is my Neutrogena Clarifying Shine, and I drop a few drops of tea tree oil into that because it definitely helps to soothe my itchy scalp. So this is the second shampoo I use, and I definitely used a very small amount. I could have used even less actually. Because my hair is pretty clean already, this suds up really quickly. The next thing I'm doing is taking out the elastic bands because I am going to gently rinse my hair one last time. There is always shampoo caught in my hair when I have the elastics in my hair. So I take them out and just rinse everything out without any bunching and banding. So this is what my hair looks like, completely drenched in water, and all of the shampoo at this point is rinsed out. The next step for me is applying oil to my scalp. This is my oil blend of tea tree, olive, and almond oil. This really helps to soothe my scalp and get rid of any dryness and itchiness. I also put some on my fingertips and just massage that onto my scalp only. And before I close out this video, here are some 360 views of my Microlocs, all fresh and clean and feeling good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Mwah.